Every bra begins with precision-selected fabric delivered to the factory floor.
The rolls are cataloged and prepared for measured unwinding.
Tracking ensures every piece meets exact quality standards.
A continuous sheet is examined for stretch, color, and imperfections.
Every flaw is identified before cutting begins.
Elastic components add strength and comfort to the final bra. The lace, often the signature element, receives special handling.
Letting the fabric rest prevents distortion during shaping.
Layering prepares the textile sheets for efficient mass cutting.
Ensures identical bra panels across thousands of units.
Digital markers guide machines through every precise cut. The automated cutter readies itself for micron-level precision. Panel, the pieces of each bra take shape.
A stable surface ensures accuracy across all delicate materials.
Each part is organized for a seamless production flow.
The delicate lace pieces demand exceptional care.
Interlining provides structure without sacrificing softness.
Underwires bring support, each size engineered to exact curvature.
With all parts ready, assembly can begin.
The journey now moves to skilled hands and precision sewing.
Precision stitching transforms materials into functional design.
Every stitch begins with exact thread calibration.
dart seams create the foundational shape of each cup.
Lace overlays demand strict accuracy to maintain.
Each contour is shaped with hand-finished detailing.
Foam molds provide structure and gentle shaping.
Heat bonding secures a smooth interior finish. Edge binding prevents fray and strengthens support.
Every underwire fits into a precisely sewn housing.
A key support structure now takes its place inside each bra.
The wings ensure a firm yet flexible fit.
Straps combine durability with smooth adjustability.
Components begin transforming into a unified silhouette.
Closures are carefully aligned for secure daily use.
Labeling completes the identity of each garment. Finishing touches refine every edge and curve.
Steam shaping ensures consistent contour.
Symmetry testing verifies flawless cup formation.
With stitching complete, the bras move toward final assembly.
Steam sets the final shape and removes minor wrinkles.
Each bra is carefully checked before approval.
Even tiny thread ends are eliminated for perfection. Heat sets the long-lasting form of each cup.
Tagging allows each piece to be tracked to store shelves. Products are organized for efficient packing.
Size accuracy is essential for customer fit.
Each piece is packed to protect its shape and finish.
Grouped packages are loaded into shipping cartons.
Mechanical sealing ensures secure transit. Completed batches are prepared for warehouse storage.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes goods for safe shipment.
The final journey leads these bras into distribution.